Welcome back, investors. Today we're diving into the essentials of tenant screening and lease management to help you maintain a stable rental environment and ensure consistent cash flow. Being a landlord is more than just owning a property, it's about building a successful business. And just like any business, minimizing risk is crucial. That's where careful tenant screening and effective lease management come in. We'll go over proven tactics to help you find reliable tenants who pay rent on time, respect your property, and minimize potential issues down the line. Remember, a well-chosen tenant can make your life as a landlord significantly easier, while a problematic one can lead to headaches, financial losses, and even legal battles. So whether you're a seasoned landlord or just starting out, stick around because this video is packed with valuable insights that can help you maximize your rental income and build long-term wealth through real estate. Before you even think about handing over the keys to your rental property, you absolutely need a rock-solid tenant screening process. This is non-negotiable, guys. Think of it as an investment in your peace of mind. A thorough screening process helps you weed out potentially problematic tenants and find the right fit for your property. We're talking about going beyond the basic background check here. We want to dig deep into their financial history, rental history, and even their employment situation. Remember, we're looking for responsible individuals who will treat your property with respect and pay their rent on time, every time. Credit history is like a financial report card, giving you a glimpse into a potential tenant's financial responsibility. Now, you're not looking for perfect credit, but you do want to see a history of paying bills on time and managing debt responsibly. Look for red flags like late payments, collections, or a high debt-to-income ratio. These could be indicators of potential financial instability, which could mean late rent payments or even missed payments for you. Past behavior is often the best predictor of future behavior, right? That's why verifying a potential tenant's rental history is absolutely crucial. Don't just take their word for it. Reach out to their previous landlords directly. Ask about their payment history, how well they maintained the property, and if there were any complaints or violations. This step can save you from a lot of potential headaches down the road. Let's be real, the number one reason tenants miss rent payments is because they're struggling financially. That's why verifying their income is non-negotiable. A good rule of thumb is to use the 30% rule. Their monthly rent shouldn't exceed 30% of their gross monthly income. Ask for recent pay stubs, bank statements, or even a letter of employment to confirm their income and make sure it's stable. Remember, we're looking for tenants who can comfortably afford the rent without putting themselves in a financial bind. Your lease agreement is the foundation of your landlord-tenant relationship. It's not just a piece of paper, it's a legally binding contract that outlines the terms of the rental agreement in detail. Make sure it's comprehensive, easy to understand, and covers everything from rent payments and security deposits to property maintenance and tenant responsibilities. A well-written lease agreement can save you from a lot of potential disputes and legal headaches down the line. From day one, it's crucial to set clear expectations with your tenants about their responsibilities. Clearly outline their obligations when it comes to property maintenance, rent payments, and following community rules. This includes things like keeping the property clean and sanitary, disposing of trash properly, and reporting any maintenance issues promptly. By setting clear expectations up front, you can minimize misunderstandings and potential conflicts down the road. Every property needs rules to ensure a respectful and peaceful living environment for all tenants. Clearly outline your policies regarding noise levels, guest visits, pet restrictions, parking arrangements, and anything else you deem important. Make sure these rules are communicated clearly in the lease agreement and readily available to tenants. This helps prevent conflicts between tenants and creates a more harmonious living environment. When it comes to your lease agreement, clarity is key. Clearly state the lease term, the exact rent amount, when and how rent is to be paid, and the consequences of late payments. Specify the security deposit amount and the conditions under which it will be returned. Don't leave any room for interpretation or ambiguity. A well-defined lease agreement protects both you and your tenant. Having a solid lease agreement is only half the battle. The real key is consistent enforcement. If you let even minor violations slide, it can create a slippery slope and lead to more significant problems down the line. Address any lease violations promptly and professionally, documenting every step of the way. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining order, respect, and a positive landlord-tenant relationship. By following these key practices, you can minimize risks, maintain property standards, and promote positive tenant relations. Remember, being a successful landlord is about more than just collecting rent. It's about building a sustainable business based on trust, respect, and clear communication. Through diligent tenant screening, comprehensive lease agreements, and consistent enforcement of rules, you can create a win-win situation for both you and your tenants. It's about finding reliable tenants who will pay rent on time, treat your property with respect, and allow you to enjoy the passive income that real estate investing can provide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate investing tips.